What's up? Okay guys, just welding some plugs here. Listening to some Johnny Cash. Great day at 3-2. Sweating. Really sweating. But I'm welding. And that's what I like to do. So. Now, make sure you put your helmets down because it's going to be bright. Alright, just going to let it purge, get it finished up. That's all she wrote. So here, check it out, I'll show you. Alright. Little plug weld there. Little weld around the tube. Alright. Put you back over here. Okay, so I got another set of legs to do. Okay, so this is what it looks like before. Okay. Little hole. What's happened is the clevis is actually machined to go up into the tube. So what you're looking at is actually the inner slug part of the clevis. So now I'm going to marry them up. Can you see me? I'm right here. Hi. Okay, once again, put down your helmets. They're going to be bright. And that's it. Again, just letting the argon purge. Almost done. Alright. Okay, now check it out. So again, that's it right there. Okay, signing off. Let me try this again. Signing off.